Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into T-Mobile account on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into T-Mobile account on laptop, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in tmobile.com and then hit enter. Then once that's done, you'll be transferred to the home page of the T-Mobile. Now all you gotta do in order to log in is click on the My Account option or the drop down menu, and you'll find the option that says login. Simply click on that and you will be prompted to the login page of the T-Mobile. Now here what you need to do is enter your login details, enter your email, phone number or username registered with T-Mobile. Then once that's done, click on next and you'll be asked to enter your password. Simply enter your password carefully. Then once that's done, under the password section or right here you'll find the option that says login. Simply click on that, and if you have two-step verification, T-Mobile will send the code to your phone or email. Simply check the phone or email and then enter the code to complete the login. And once that's done, you'll be able to access your account by viewing your bill, plan, usage and account settings, and make sure your internet is working as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.